Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna check this car out. The customer complaining that the check engine light is on. It's a Nissan Altima, as you see, and also the car have a code. So let's see what the code is and see where we go from there. Find it. Plug it in. Turn the ignition on. That come on, and you can see the check engine light on, but that's normal. So start the car, check engine light go off, come back on. That's not normal, so we're gonna scan it through the computer. So as we can see, 2020 Nissan Altima, but it doesn't matter the year, if it's 2019 or 2022 or whatever, as long as it look like this, it's gonna be the same procedure on changing the air filter. Yeah, so yeah, it's the air filter. You give a code for I already scanned it already, so I already know the code. You give a code for the map airflow sensor, and it's a new car, so I don't think the map airflow sensor gonna be going bad, but it have a lot of miles on it. So because it have so much miles on it, I think it's best for we to just change the trip is right here. So you have 56,000 miles on it on a 2020. Well, damn, they be driving. But we're gonna go ahead and change the air filter, because guarantee that's the problem. Okay, it's fairly new, so we're gonna take that out and see what it's look like on the inside. Alright, so that's the code it give right there. Before you go out and buy your a map airflow sensor for this code, P0101-00. Before you go out and do that, buy a map airflow sensor, you might want to just check the make sure that the circuit is connected properly. It does say circuit. And also check the airflow, the air filter, and then you can get the code erased. So let's get to that. We'll go ahead and open the hood, cut the car off. So guys, your air filter is going to be located on this side of the car, on the left side, and you can see this is the housing that keep the air filter. Alright guys, so you're gonna have this clip right here, this clip right here. Push this back, pull that out. So we're gonna push back, pull up. So once you push back and pull up, the bottom got two hooks that hook down there. 1, 2, hook down there. Filter is ready to come out, and you can see the filter, how dirty it is. One time for the thumbnail. Alright, so you can see how dirty the filter is, a lot of stone and all kind of stuff. So this is the best way to go before, because you're gonna need a filter anyway, so might as well change the filter before you go and buy such an expensive part, which is this, the map airflow sensor. So look how clean this one is. Make sure inside is clean. That's good. So we gotta line up the bottom, make sure the bottom hook back in. Lock that up. Lock that up. And also guys, this is the map airflow sensor, so that's the code it was throwing. But because this not reading enough, or there's enough air not going in, so that's why. But that's good. Now we're gonna go ahead and start the car and clear the code. Alright, so the car is start. Check this back. We're gonna clear this code. clear code. Set engine must be off. Turn off the engine. Turn on the mafia flow. Turn on the ignition. Alright, so go ahead and crank the car up. For some reason this computer don't like to clear the code on the Nissan. The code is still there, but the code haven't clear. It said it was unable to clear the code, so I gotta go in a different section to clear the code. I've been having these lately on this Snap-on computer where I clear the code on the Nissan. It only happened on Nissan. Clear the code on Nissan, it doesn't want to clear. I have to go into like a regular scan tool mode for it to clear the code. So I would come right here, OBD2. Yeah guys, and I also normally if I try to clear it with this and it don't work, I'll just get my smaller computer that I have, but I lent it to my friend, so I couldn't do that. So start communication. So what I'm gonna do is cut bits and pieces of this because this computer is slow. Maybe it's just getting real old, so I probably need to change it as well. Alright. Alright guys, so now I was able to clear the code. Check engine light is gone. Go ahead and start the vehicle. You can see that the check engine light is gone. Turn it off. Start it up. So yes guys, we cleared it and now we're good to go. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.